One of the good smartphone na meron ni Samsung for 2025. This is the Samsung Galaxy A56. Ba't ko nga nasabi na maganda siya? Makita natin sa kanyang camera bump pa lang and nagbago na kanyang design. Normally, di ba, makita mo tatlong ring magkahiwalay pero ngayon pinagsama-sama na which I definitely appreciate. Secondly is, well, yung kanyang feel dito sa metal frame. Masasabi ko sa inyo na mas metal ang feel. Mas solid ang kanyang feel. Perfect for gamers and yung day-to-day na hawak mo siya, hindi siya yung feeling na medyo plasticky, no? Siyempre, gawa sa plastic. Pero ito, parang paghawak mo solid yung kanyang bakal na feel. Plus, nakaangat naman tong volume rocker and power button, which for me, okay na okay sa akin. And what I like din dito sa kanya is maganda kanya AMOLED display. This is being powered by the Exynos 1580. And I would say na perfect yung kanyang display. Saktuhan lang, hindi naman sobrang nipis ang kanyang bezel. Pero what's nice naman dito sa kanya is symmetrical ang kanyang bezels. And of course, given that this is made from Samsung, so expect mo wala siyang charging brick. No? So what I can recommend is from Ugreen. This is a 65 watts na GAN charger ni Ugreen and collaborated with Genshin Impact. Meron naman siyang walang Genshin Impact na version. But I'll say na kunin ito guys, sobrang ganda naman to. Now, you have dalawang C port, isang A port. And this one only comes together with yung isang charging cable lang niya, which is C to C. Perfect naman to, no? And this one supports 45 watts fast charging, and also this has a 5,000 mAh na battery. One thing that I can say dito sa kanya is solid na kanyang camera, no? It has improved yung galing sa A55. And makita naman sa full review ko sa aking YT channel, which you can research, check mo lang yung performance nito. And I'm, well, honestly impressed, no? Coming off from yung A55 to A56, medyo maganda yung improvement sa kanyang camera. Medyo hindi ako masyado natuwa sa A55 kasi medyo ganun lang ang kanyang camera performance, but this one has catch up na, masasabi ko sa inyo. And, well, probably pinaka gusto ko lang dito talaga sa kanya is yung feel niya talaga sa aking kamay. Solid si A56. Now, if you're looking for one of these, you can check the Yellow Basket and isasama ko na rin to sa Yellow Basket, guys. So, guys, check out now.